This is the inaugural Soldiers Home Restoration Ride. This event is the fundraising kickoff to fully restore the Soldiers Home Cemetery and honor these amazing men and women who call this their final resting place. Unfortunately, this place has been very neglected for decades, and the Restore America Club has taken the lead to change that.
We're asking you to rally up at the Washington Soldiers Home in Orting for a great ride for cars and motorcycles. We will also hear from the Director of Washington Department of Veterans Affairs, Alfie Alvarado, and others.
So RSVP today and don't delay. We roll out the gates at 9 a.m.